Tired of hidden fees eating into your international money transfers? Today, we're putting Torfx and Wise, formerly TransferWise, head-to-head to help you decide which platform is best for your needs, focusing on rates, fees, speed and security. First, let's talk exchange rates. Both Torfx and Wise offer competitive rates, but they operate differently. Wise generally uses the mid-market rate, which is the rate banks use to trade between themselves, and adds a transparent fee. Torfx provides personalized exchange rates based on the amount you're transferring and market conditions. To get the best rate, it's recommended to contact Torfx directly for a quote. Especially for larger transfers, this allows you to negotiate for a better deal. When it comes to speed, Wise typically offers faster transfers, often within 12 business days, depending on the currencies and countries involved. Torfx's transfer times can vary, but may be slightly longer, particularly for less common currency pairings or larger amounts. Security is paramount. Both Torfx and Wise are regulated financial institutions, employing robust security measures to protect your money. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs. If speed and complete transparency are your priority, Wise is a strong contender. However, if you're making a larger transfer and prefer personalized service with the potential for negotiated rates, Torfx could be the better option. Don't forget to compare quotes for your specific transfer amount before making a decision.